What I'm talking is this. I said I'm gonna give you something that you're gonna understand, something that's gonna be simple for you, something that's not gonna blow your mind. So if you go to the settings actually of the MetaTrader 5, so this is a MetaTrader 5. I know you understand English. So this is a MetaTrader 5 here. So you press the MetaTrader 5 and then it will take you to this. If you have a broker, you know them like the lines. So you're gonna go to the settings. If you go to the settings, you're gonna let me delete everything so that you can see. Like these numbers is not like I'm gonna forget them. Like they came, like we have to use them. The first thing is the parabolic SAR that as you can see, so as default. So you're gonna see like set to default. When you set them to default, you're gonna see this. So you're gonna click 2 times and then you're gonna say you delete every sheet that is there, my brother, like 0.05. The other one is 0.05, 0.05. I'm sorry, 0.005. Then you can change the color into a brighter color. That's what I have did. So you're gonna see they're gonna pull this like parabolic. So if you see this parabolic, you totally understand that actually we're flowing. What you can add is the time frames. So these time frames that I'm adding for you, they represent one day. They don't represent a day in the night, my brother. But like if you comprehend what I'm saying, you're gonna see what's gonna happen to your trading career. It's just something simple. Like people they don't comprehend these things. So the trend you can see it clear and correctly. It's not like it's hidden for you. It's not hidden. So you totally seeing okay, right? With the trend now, I see clear. The trend is up. The market is up. It's pulling back to the downside on 4 hourly. We totally seeing actually the market gave us the star actually up there. That's a star though. Like people they have to be conscious of this, like of this star actually. So the indecisive candle we call it a star. So where buyers and sellers were like holding the market, no one was stronger up until the sellers showed in the market. Actually, they are the one who are controlling the market. So we add the moving average on top of these ones. The moving average is 100 exponential. As you can see, actually, when you reach there by the moving average, you find the moving average is not on exponential, it's on simple. You pull it, you change the color. If you like, you can use the color of your choices. I'm not gonna choose for you because now I've choose this brighter color so that I can see clear. The moving average is on 2 and you change it. You can add this one in the inside the moving average, so you can make it into a black color, the one that you are adding here. So like it's gonna be beautiful though, so that you can see clear and have clarity. So let's check the moving average. The moving average is totally correct. It's nice, it's there, it's showing direction. We have to see that the market is closed below the low of the moving average, and now that's a breakout retest in people who are trading in trend lines. So according to the moving average, we're supposed to be selling. Like we don't give a fuck that if it's a loss or it's a gain. Like you don't worry about that thing. That's why you follow these indicators and say I'm following the indicators, like the indicators are correct. You understand? So we're totally moving with the market in a very good way. We're totally seeing everything that the market is doing. So 1 hour is convenient that you must take your trades on 1 hour. So let's delete this. So we go on to confirm the direction. We look for a relative strength index. This one you totally see. When you find it, it will be like this in your platform. Actually, that's a higher high. We don't want that relative strength index, my brother. Like we want to cancel everything. Like let me show you. So we come here, we remove everything. We leave one. We come here, like we remove everything like, by the 30. We leave 9. Here by the 70 we leave 91. So like 191, like that's the last one that you can use. So you're totally seeing actually the measurements, like from 0 to 9 to 91 to 100. So you totally understand the market up. It will never break 100. It will give you some compounds that you're not going to understand here. That a moving average, convergence, divergence, MACD. So when you find it, it will be like this. So you can still use it like this. We're not saying you will not use it. So let's go on. Let's go on and see what's happening. So as it's happening like that, we go here, we change the color. By changing the color and increasing the size of the bars, you totally see clear what's happening on the market. But this candle is very, very bright. We put it into 3, and then we come to this one. We say 128. Here is 64. 64. Here is 9. Leave it like that, and then you can go maybe and have a, a divider. A divider will be 2, and then you understand that, okay, all right, that's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. Actually, we want to understand the direction. So from here, we totally understand that that's very bright, and then we pull this like this, so you see clear. What do you see? You see everything very well as an individual. So you totally understand that actually the only thing that you have to understand is that the reputation that you create, you have to follow it. So this is a reputation that we have, that we are predicting that actually we have to move from this into a larger amount. We have closed some position in the morning because we were not conscious about the positions that we did open. Let me show you, because we still have the history. Okay, this is a new account, so we did open positions there, we closed them. So let me just confirm when we close. Sell. The buyers are like, they see the market, they see the buyers. How are the buyers? The buyers are gold. So if they are gold, we can say the buyers, they are yellow, and the sellers, they are more greenish. So you totally see where did we close, but that's not clarity. We want clarity on the market. So let's make this to have clarity. So we totally understand what we're doing, so that even a child at home, a younger child, can understand. Person who's like, at home we don't have anything, we want to make money, but we do not know how, which business to open. Like I'm saying, to those families, actually they can follow this, their children can follow this, uh, and move with it to the highest level that they can go to. Because it's all about patience, guys. It's not about how many trades you open. You can open a full margin. That's what I'm saying. You can open a full margin and you can still be in profit. You can open small and you can still be in profit. If you say you're gonna open a full margin, this is what I'll advise you to do. You have to be a sniper scalper, my brother. Like me, I'm a sniper scalper, but I didn't enter when it was like snipering and scalping on that area. So for we totally saw that actually that was a last candle. So here we see this is a divergence, and when they sell, we're supposed to be there. So once they give us the signal is there, and then we have to enter on the last candle. That's what you must understand. The last candle up is a sell. So we were supposed to enter on the 15-minute last candle. Where's the 15-minute last candle? It's up there and it's very far. The market didn't reach there. That's very great of it. So we reached the hourly highest candle. So where is the hourly? This is the hourly highest candle where I have put my stop loss. So I was supposed to enter there and open the full margin there in the top, but it's still okay the way I have opened them. Let's go on and see those people who are average. Like when you give them the signal, most of them, they will be seeking to sell, to sell. You can sell once it's said it's full margin, never put anything. See, you still not enough money, leave it like that. You still gonna be in profit because the direction is correct. What is important is the direction. Like people, they don't understand this thing. It's so simple. So we're totally seeing actually what's happening. We can cancel this smaller nyana time frame nyana because you are not small. So it's just like protecting like your head, your crown, my brother. Like that's it. So let's see the market pushing to the downside as far as it can, and then let's see ourselves making something as big as like it can be done. So we're totally seeing that the market is gonna collapse there. Why I'm saying that in 8 hours you totally see that being confirmed. So there is not number 10, it's 100. So because people they can be confused. Number 100. Okay, let's see what's happening. We're totally seeing that we are buying. We're totally seeing that the market is pulling back to the downside. Why did I cancel the 15 minute? The 15 minutes is okay for the N3 to be confirmed. So we're totally seeing that actually on the 15 minute we're selling. We're totally selling. We do not want to talk a lot. We are selling. So my brother, like this, what I wanted to offer you as an individual, as a guy who's having energy. I know you're gonna like go through this and see what I'm like showing you, because you still need to get a broker. This is a demonstration account, like I'm not gonna lie to you or so and say. So this is a demo. Actually, we just want to prove the strategy that we can go aggressive as much as we can on the strategy without fearing any losses, because we do not want to involve our emotions too much. So if you like you have an understanding, or like you see this thing is like an expert advisor, because you see wherever it does, it gives a straight something like a straight profit. So whenever they break the line, they give the profit to these people, to people who are willing to take it. So the only thing that you have to be conscious of is that you're gonna get a largest profit in the world. Actually, do not say where in the world, because you're gonna apply every understanding that you have. Because I understand also the smart money concept. Do you know what is the smart money concept? The smart money concept, when the market breaks the structure, and then you know that they're gonna respect the other structure. So here that was a break of structure. You're gonna see here. So they came to respect the top also. So they came to respect the. Let's put it in another color because that one doesn't work as well. So this one is great. So we're totally seeing that in the smart money concept, this was a nice area to buy. So you totally saw that like you were supposed to kill it there. Very nice. And you continue with it. Here, you need a smart money concept, of course. The SMC is working everywhere. So you're totally seeing that the market was pendularing here and turning tables. So according to smart money concept, people were gonna look for the last candle. So of which that's the last candle that's created everything, but we still have this as an indecisive candle, and there are two there. So according to the lessons that I was taught, that you have to apply the SMC. No matter what you do, the smart money concept has to be there. So according to that, I know. Okay, now here we go again. You're totally seeing that the market is breaking the moving average. Where is the smart money concept? How can the smart money concept be applied? You look for the break of the structure. So I'm talking about the top that is being broken. Like you're gonna understand that this is what is happening actually. We work, my brother, like we don't sit down. Like the mind has to like to be somewhere else. You have to be here with your body, but the mind has to think something else. Think as you like, my brother, but sit here. Don't go too far. Understand that you are around, my brother, and you are the one who's making decision there. You understand? Like as I'm showing you this one, Aniko, it's because like you are the different guy. Like I have to respect you and honor you with this. So there's a truth ownership, my brother. Like you can call it however, my brother, like, but I honor you. Like, so you see there the market broke there, and then it came back to confirm the smart money concept that was there. of which people they didn't see that it was confirmed. Also me too, I see if I go deeper. So without going deeper, I was not gonna see. So let's see the last candle. So this is the last candle before the market shoots to the upside. So it came down, mitigation, bought on an indecision candle in 15 minutes. So if you bought it there, yay. So here is a sell. We're totally seeing that the smart money concept is being applying its own thing, like the candle that closed there to make it simple for other traders. So the candle that closed, we're totally seeing that maybe it might be this candle that closed. So we want to mark that candle. So on the other side, the structure has been broken again. Like we're looking for an indecision candle always. If we don't find it, that's fine though. We're gonna look for the last candle that they close with and enter there. You enter on the last candle that they close with. You make your profit. You go outside. Like you see, in some challenging times, you're gonna see the market turning against you. And when it's turning against you, it doesn't mean that you have to be there and be bewildered. It means that it's your time now. You have to open your eyes. The smart money concept is being applied on the other side. So you totally see the opposite in the market, and you have to be conscious. You are the one who's seeing as an expert advisor, and the indicators are there to indicate where the market will go. So let's see what's happening. Here, the smart money concept has been applied also. So let's go on with the smart money concept. Where's the smart money concept being applied? These are sniper entries that we're talking of. The smart money concept has been applied here. We're totally seeing that actually here the smart money concept is taking place actually.